Jesus Christ. That is so bright. Should be interesting to see how these look on there. RGB light connection instructions. Okay, so feel like that ring that's around the side is like an RGB light thing that you can change colors and stuff on. That'll be fun to play with, and I'm pretty sure it's very illegal. So these old things, they're coming out. Chucking these new ones on should kind of give the car a bit more of a modern-ish look. And these lights suck. I cannot see shit while driving at night. Alright, so that there is our little Bluetooth box thing that we got to wire into somewhere. Could we simply just plug? No way. Guys, if that works, that'll be the easiest light swap I've ever done. Alright, have we got lights? We do not. Ooh, that's promising. That's our little splitter, so then that... Oh, hold up, we got two little arrows on here to help us navigate that. There we go. Okay, then there's two arrows on these ones as well. Line those up, put those together. And tighten all that down. Then we just have to tap in into some power. Okay, in terms of powering, I feel like just tapping into the head unit might be the way to go. So we're going to splice in that one. And then our black, which is our ground, we'll splice into that one as well. These kind of cutters come super handy to try to do this. That is white in, red to red, black to black. There we go, we got ourselves some mint lights on there now. Cool, everything's working. On the box of these things, there's a little QR code to scan, so I'm assuming that'll get me to an app which can then connect to the box. And then we can control whether they're on or off, or like what colors they have. So I'm gonna go connect to that quickly, and then we're gonna see if we can get any changes happening there. I don't know how much is showing of my phone. We're gonna see if this works. Oh, hold up, we got something coming up here. Hit that. It says disconnected up in the top, so we just go to connect. If we come back around the front, so we got off, back on again, then we should be able to just change. Whoa. We can change all the colors in there. Sick. Alright, we're gonna get these all mounted so that both sides are all wired up. First thing we're gonna do, get the rest of this bracket off from this light. Okay, so writing goes up top. Which would be that way for us. So if you guys do like these lights and you want to support the channel as well, I will leave a couple of different links of some variations of this style of light. Because if you buy a light from those links, it means I get a little bit of commission. It doesn't cost you any extra, but it helps support the channel, and it means I can keep buying a few more mad things to do on these cars, because I'm so broke. There's a new car coming, and it was a very spontaneous decision to get it. So the financial situation now is so these have got this little, like, I don't know what it is. There's like a little ridge, and this piece here just fits perfectly into there. Jesus Christ. That is so bright. Alrighty, those are the new lights on the Lancer. They turned out sick, and it was so easy. Like, it was literally the same connection on the back. Whereas these, because they are for a, I think they're for a Jeep. This is the connection to connect them to the Jeep headlights. Didn't need them. Well spotted. This isn't a Jeep. That's so good.